As the mist clears, the true beauty of this ancient land is revealed. This is Snowdonia, a region located in the North Wales, a region of stunning natural beauty and a rich cultural heritage. Nestled in the heart of Welsh countryside lies the majestic Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales and one of the most iconic mountains in the British Isles. With its rugged summit and steep ridges, it's easy to see why this mountain has captured the imagination of poets and adventurers alike for the centuries. Climbing Mount Snowdon is an experience like no other, and there are several trails to choose from. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a beginner, there's a trail that's perfect for you. And the views from the summit are simply breathtaking. But this place is much more than just a mountain range. The region is a home to rich landscapes, from rolling hills to deep valleys, from wild moorlands to crystal-clear lakes. Snowdonia isn't just about hiking. It's also home to some of Wales' most beautiful coastline, with rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and charming seaside towns. One of the most beautiful seaside towns is Barmouth, a beautiful coastline town located in Gwynedd. With its stunning beaches, picturesque harbour, and majestic mountains in the backdrop, Barmouth is truly a gem of North Wales. We can see the towering mountains of Snowdonia National Park looming in the background, while the sparkling waters of Cardigan Bay stretches out in front of us. Barmouth is a popular holiday destination, attracting thousands of visitors every year. One of the most recognizable landmarks in Barmouth is the Barmouth Bridge. Built in 1867. This great second listed structure is a marvel of a Victorian engineering and a testament to the town's rich history. But perhaps the main attraction of Barmouth is its stunning beaches, with miles of pristine coastline. Barmouth offers plenty of opportunities for sunbathing, swimming and water sports. As the sun sets over Barmouth, it's easy to see why this town has captured the hearts of so many people. With its stunning scenery, rich history, and the friendly locals, Barmouth truly is a town like no other.